G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So today we've brought the Troopy out to Pop's farm to put in the shed because we're going to do a quick bush ready paint job. So this is getting ready for a long drive for a drought. Now I don't recommend doing this type of paint job if you want a good one, because really all we're doing is a closed door respray, a quick rub down, a quick clean up and spray some paint over it just so it's all one color really. So it's not going to be incredible, but hopefully it'll turn out good enough just to make it look all right. So I've got Jack and I've got Andy here to help, and hopefully we can get some other people here to help. I'm going to jump on the phone, make some phone calls, see if we can get some other people out here to give us a hand. All right, you guys ready to get into it?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to make some phone calls and we'll move over and get things happening.
Let's go.
Okay. Yeah, g'day mate, how are you? Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Just after a little favour, if you're free. Yeah, g'day bro. Hey, are you and Roop keen to come and give me a hand with the Troopy? I know it's short notice. Hey Roopy! Thanks for coming out, mate. Really need your help. Thanks, mate. Oh, even better. Look at that.
Courtesy of mobile.
Righto, I've got Rupert here. Say g'day, Roop.
Hello.
Roop is my nephew, and I have to say probably my #1 fan. Yeah? Yes, all right. I'm going to give Rupert a task today. While my kids are ripping a whole lot of stuff off, I'm going to give Roop something a little bit more challenging. And our reflectors. So, Roop, what we're going to do, bud, is our reflectors are going to sit just here. Now, I need you to take some measurements, punch some holes, drill some holes, fit them up. And once they're all fitted up and looking fantastic, then we're going to pull them back off again. You reckon you can do that? Excellent, I know you can. All right, bud, I'm going to leave you with that task. Dad might want to give you a hand. And I'll get back to you when you're getting close to being done. Benny's turned up. You may remember Ben from such episodes as the Lightning Ridge bulldozer.
I became a celebrity after that episode. It was pretty impressive.
Yeah. Where you going?
What?
Why? This is work. Lucky I've got you, Rupert, and Andy, and Ben, and Uncle David. Ben, do you like stripping stuff?
Yes, I do like stripping stuff. Just lights up my day.
We've got Indy here as well.
Hi.
Helping Andy strip these flares off it. Pop it in, bud. Push, push. Looking good, Root.
The nail polish is gone.
Oh. That's right, we can paint it the same colour as the cruiser.
See this bit here? We need to feather this in, John. This bit here?
All right, yeah.
Feather it in. See? See this, Jace?
Yep.
Cut. I'm going pretty good.
Awesome.
Back doors are smoother than a baby's bottom.
I want to know why this little thing is there in the middle.
Oh,
So
wow.
please comment.
I think Jack actually doesn't go to work. I think he just sets it up to get one of his mates to ring him.
Yeah, that's precision.
Are you taping there?
Yep.
We're doing the rust. I feel like I've got to paint the whole thing.
Rust.
Yeah. It's on the side.
Subscribe to the 40 channel.
So, guys, once again, Jacko has bailed, gone to work.
To work.
So, you've had to call in substitutes.
I have. Well, all we can do is make sure he actually is working well. I'm a bit concerned because every time I do this, I get into the intricate stuff and it's like, oh, hello? Oh, I've got to go to work.
And then
Is
I
it-
get a call, hey Benny, is there a chance you can come over? Jack's been calling to work.
Is he really working? Or is his mates ringing?
I don't know. We got Mitchie in helping as well. Mitchie's trying to pay a debt to me so I can go out with my beautiful daughter Charlie. Is it paid off yet, Mitch?
Oh, it's getting there.
You've got a long way to go, Mitch, yeah?
The mirror. Oh, cute. I can't even shut the door. Watch out, I'm shutting the door. 1, 2, 3. No. How do I tell my dad? Oh my gosh. Mitchell. Mitchell.
Say again, back what?
Do you think I know that they should subscribe?
Oh, I hope so.
No, I did something.
What?
I don't know what happened. I just went to shut the door and it broke off. I got it on camera. It broke.
It's alright, I only use just small screws. I just need to use bigger screws, obviously.
Okay, sorry.
This thing's so high.
My bad. I was just me testing out everything, so I was just testing everything out. Ooh, my bad.
See ya.
Bye.
Righto, we've had an absolute cracker of a day. So it's been a lot of fun. We had a whole lot of laughs. And we're at that point now where I'm just going to give it all a quick wipe down with some wax and grease remover. Any of the bare steel that's been exposed, just going to hit that with some etch primer. Leave it overnight. We'll come back in the morning. we'll give it another big wipe down with some wax and grease remover, and just go over the whole thing, and we'll hit this with some paint. So I'm really excited about tomorrow. It's been a really big day, but it's been a lot of fun. So anyway, I'll clean it up and we'll wait till tomorrow. Righto, day 2. So Jack went to work yesterday.
Yes.
Did you really?
Yes, I actually did go to work.
He really did.
Hey,
G'day.
how you going?
All right.
I just need proof that you are actually
Working.
working.
Always.
That every time Dad's working on a car, you get called into work, and people are starting to think that maybe.
I actually show up to work.
Which left us to do this, and Jack's come back and it's pretty much all done. Jack and I this morning have just gone through and just patched up some last little bits. Just done some finer little blending and stuff, just where the primers met. Well, we've had to convince the painter that this is just a bush-ready paint job. So he was a little bit like, oh, gee, is that what you're doing? Yep, that's what we're doing. So this is the quickest, fastest paint job maybe in history. So it was about 8 hours of yesterday, everyone just giving everything a big rub back, cleaned everything up, converted all the rust, coated all over. Here we are this morning, we've got some heaters on in the shed to try to bring the heat up a little bit. And this is all for long drive for a drought. Now, long drive for a drought, you've heard me talk about it. This is where I need you guys to give me a hand. I've had a huge amount of help with this from family and friends. Now I'm asking everyone out there to help out with drive for a drought. Isn't that right, Jack?
Yes.
So this is all about helping out farmers that have been in some type of disaster, floods, droughts, COVID, all sorts of stuff that have just made life really difficult for them in northwest Queensland. So if you check out this link below, you can jump onto their page and you can donate. I don't care to just throw in $5 or $50 or anything like that. Any little donation, it all adds up in the end of the day and it all helps. So please guys, jump on the link below and help out this charity that we're going on that we're pretty excited about.
Yes.
I think it's going to be awesome. So great experience. All 40 series Land Cruisers, and for a great cause. Anyway, we're going to keep tidying this up, and the painter should be here in about an hour or so. So that gives us more than enough time. So excellent. Let's keep moving, Jack. What do you reckon, Jack?
Doesn't look bad for a bush ready spray.
That's it, man. Bush ready spray. So it does look sensational for, I don't know, we probably spent 10 hours yesterday sanding, cleaning, wiping down, and then 2 hours of paint. So the quickest paint job ever, I think. And it'll look awesome for what we need to achieve. So I'm super happy. The colour is absolutely beautiful. Mum picked the colour.
Yep.
What do you reckon about the colour?
It's not bad.
Yeah, I'm happy with it. Right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Thanks for your support. Feel free to leave a comment. I'm sure there'll be a whole lot of comments about, you know, a rough and ready spray paint, but we're willing to take them on. Feel free to leave a thumbs up. And until next time.
Thanks for watching.